You spend 3 hours scripting, shooting, and editing a video. You hit publish, and an hour later, you have exactly 3 views. You've likely heard the standard advice from every growth coach out there. They tell you to post daily, hop on the latest trending sounds, and participate in every new challenge to please the algorithm. Following that advice often results in high output with absolute silence in the comments and 0 shares. Your account becomes a ghost town. This chart shows exactly where most creators get stuck. On the vertical axis is technical skill, and on the horizontal is content output. If you are churning out videos but still struggling to get traction, you fall right here into the bottom left quadrant, the ghost town creator. In this position, you need a rigid operational system rather than another burst of creative inspiration. The algorithm is not actively suppressing your account. Your workflow is broken, and simply pressing record more often will not fix it. That specific frustration led Beverly Samuel to build TikTok Takeover. She used it to revive her own dead account and now sells the entire framework for $7. The core promise is straightforward: a repeatable method to generate a continuous stream of free leads without paying for advertising. It's aimed directly at affiliate marketers, coaches, and budget-conscious solopreneurs who need an audience ready to buy digital products or book consultation calls. Anytime a full lead generation system costs less than a fast food meal, we have to ask if this is a complete solution or just bait for an expensive sales funnel. A $7 price tag removes financial risk up front. However, you are stepping into an aggressive marketing environment that will test your psychological discipline immediately after you click buy. This diagram shows the core educational framework. It operates on a strict 4-step workflow: foundation, spy, shoot, and schedule. In the spy phase, you research and log content that is already performing well within your niche. This removes the need to pull original ideas out of thin air, effectively eliminating the blank screen problem. The trade-off is sacrificing pure creative originality. Your content calendar will mimic the structures the algorithm has validated. Moving to the shoot phase, the system requires using only your smartphone and a free editing app. This eliminates financial barriers for gear, though the final videos will lack the cinematic polish of a professional brand campaign. This utility-first methodology forces you to prioritize rapid replication and efficiency over artistic expression or high budgets. This brings us to the final node, the schedule phase. This dictates posting your videos at exact times when your target audience is most active. Timing your uploads based on audience behavior increases your probability of algorithmic distribution, regardless of your camera charisma. You must adhere strictly to the content calendar, leaving no room for spontaneous posting. Executing every step in sequential order is vital. Skipping any part of the process stalls the lead generation engine. The system ignores accidental virality to focus entirely on predictable, compounding daily actions that you can control. Rigidity is the reason it works. It turns content creation into a standardized data entry task. We need to examine the aggressive business model powering this launch beyond the curriculum. This diagram illustrates the upsell funnel. The top level is that attractive $7 front-end purchase, but a multi-layered marketing sequence begins immediately. First come the order bumps, priced between $27 and $47. These include advanced editing tutorials and viral Reels packs. If you pass those, you enter the layer of one-time offers. This includes expensive additions like DM automation and reseller rights, reaching up to $197. The sequence is designed to make you feel like your initial purchase is incomplete without buying all the upgrades. Expect to spend more mental energy declining aggressive back-end marketing than you spent on the $7 entry fee. Let's map out who will benefit from this system and who should avoid it. Affiliate marketers, coaches, or solopreneurs who need to build a warm audience quickly should follow the top path on this flowchart. If you view TikTok strictly as a lead generation utility, buying the core $7 offer makes sense. Established brands, prestige artists, or anyone susceptible to high-pressure sales should take the bottom path and pass entirely. Applying a templated system to a business that relies on unique thought leadership will only dilute your brand. This course is a mismatch if your goal is building a unique creative voice, as it is designed solely for establishing a mimetic lead pipeline. TikTok Takeover provides a functional workflow for curing the blank page problem rather than a magical algorithm hack. Purchase the core product for the framework, but maintain the discipline to decline every single upsell offer. This $7 investment provides a consistent content framework that removes the guesswork from your daily routine. Real progress depends on mastering one repeatable system until it produces measurable results, regardless of how many premium upgrades a marketer puts in front of you.